We wanted to create something beautiful, modern, classic, and familiar, but without the need to flip your wrist, to look down, or break your concentration. We call it the Anti-Watch.
My name is Alex Wellen.
And I am Dave Prince, and we are the co-inventors of Prompt, the first eyes-free, modern-day timepiece that prompts you to stay prompt.
No larger than a silver dollar, no thicker than a stack of 4 quarters, smooth to the touch. The concave coin cradles your thumb. Touching it triggers haptic feedback. 1 pulse for the first 15 minutes, 2 pulses for the second, 3 for the third, 4 vibrations for the last 15 minutes. So let's say you're in the middle of a meeting scheduled to end at 9:30. 2 pulses tell you still have time. 3 pulses, you're late.
The Prompt team is based in St. Paul, Minnesota, where we've handcrafted the bezel in medical-grade stainless steel. Whether it's in your pocket or the palm of your hand, we wanted a timepiece that feels substantial in weight and quality. It's 1 part comfort piece and 1 part conversation piece. It needs to do one thing and one thing only: keep you prompt. So we've spent years simplifying and refining the concept.
In September 2017, we were granted our 3rd patent. In November of last year, we completed our first working prototype. But now we need your help to take it to market.
With your funding, we'll refine the final design and explore a range of finishes.
It's getting harder and harder to stay focused. Our smartwatches are telling us to stand up. They give us a breaking news alert. The phone's ringing. We're not focused on the conversation right in front of us. We're telling the person every time we look at our watch that we want to or we need to be somewhere else. Isn't it time that our timepiece just left us alone?